watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bempah, subscribe, share, minute 2 man now on sa can be. Agrada say on someone na nsem bi abobo ba na mpese ye hwe. Ene ma hwe nkofo mienu, mi wia na mabisaw. Say Christo ni Muslim no, de ye no yaade. Ai ne me ba behwe. Ba ku ye sofo, one look at Christo ni sofo. Ensem we ba ye no, yenim say Owusu Bempah on Agrada, they had issues. Na ba ye no, it looks like Owusu Bempah is riding on something. Minim no riding on. But I say what can tin ato. Na pese akwa video ba ye ba maybe sansem ye kwabra.
Sa na Agrada aka na Agrada say one nabusuafo bedi nkomo. Na wa get back to one mi schoolmate no. Na one makasa. Se mema kwan a na fi wo ma abusuafo na ba. Asori. Na wo mu diga atoa aba. Na sempa bi na meba amanu na de metimi aye de abo ani bi amenye mfa moa no enti enra eno san frɛ me na kasa ni nyam fa sofo Bempah hu ohu de bi sun e ka kyerɛ ne sɛ papa Bempah kyerɛ ma me na nimpo maka kyerɛ mabusuafo sɛ nkomo nkɔ papa Bempah sorry na nkomo nkɔ kasa e wa sorry ho emane members na sofo nyina na chidifo nyina hu se me ma me part me nume ho enti no onya mfa nkyeme na masafo ma na busua na dofo nyina so nya mfa nkyeme enti papa ne kan sa asem ne kire me no na me so me busa papa ne se ma me part na di message we ma o se fama me ana na o se enokre na wakampo ewo ni program so ni mi ko school na wakasa ansem no kra bi na we sorry say odi ko din komo no we ni kan an kan kire me ansa na obeka no social media no so na sa atam no frame ya no nyame nti o press of kum chacha na so kum chacha e ka kire ne say obebbo me mama ne say onu sa papa no a o me school mate ne frame na ono na oye adwuma wo prisons okoho kohwe prisons kokosa wo mo no enam se mate eno se enu nti no sa na Agrada aka na Agrada se one nabusuafo bedi nkomo na wa get back to ono mi schoolmate
Papa Owusu Bempah mi chiawo. Me pa chawo. Asonia wo ye no. Are you happy? Say Christo ni asemu ato nana. Say yen nyina Christopher na yen nyina sabi nyame baako na ye di akire dia. Is that the approach that we should take? No, say eya wo de say sabi obi aka ho asem na wakonya problem. Is that it? Yeah, ko Bible nim kakra. Yeah, boy Yesu asenuam. Jesus had two choices. To call on the legions of heaven to come and destroy human being, or to tell them, Father, forgive them, so that the sword will be lowered. Jesus chose the second one. And he said, yes, you didn't achieve that. Obi kodema, and obi who can, and yes, you will Christo need there. I'm telling you. Because I want him send you nyame cry na kwan, and he send you nyame fa na kwan. Agrada say or dance someone shouldn't be something that you should rejoice in. It should rather be something that it should give you what? Food for thoughts. Now, Pacho, Reverend Owusu Bempah, time na ya chill no. Now, Owusu no e boni biana. Ana, no kwa yobi. A question na mibisa. Because at that time no, now you are pleading. And no now can say MPP for one no more tokwa, one no more say na e ba ho no. Pacho no kwa yobi boni ana. Se wo kwa yobi boni dia me pesa me ka se bi cho say en sawam no enye nipa ba ko dia obi atimi call enti enne emma ne nyode na can check man no wo Muslim yankode kwatie ni ono so kai ba mekasa
into why would anybody sit in the comfort of their homes not say crime officer or from a crime officer Ope and some people I don't have time for that. We've been sending me that and me tea kakrabi. Say me pe benefits. Into my interview or mono. Or me di bonia kesian. Benefit ben. Does the benefit in question imply, say, I have spoken about Agrada. I have indicated that she could get more years. I've indicated that we're offending lots of people. And no, na Agrada, I'm a misika. I never knew I was so poor, sir. Sir, me interview before. I mean, I'm being very careful. And very, very unfortunate. When you talk about people, again, Reverend Owusu Bempah, Abekasa. Now, before say Yebeko Hobson, let's react to what Reverend Owusu Bempah. Reverend Owusu Bempah is my classmate at Tia Media Secondary School. Kumasi. We will be a penasem, respect no. Me Muslim, but me share lots of Christian videos. And we are Kramuni, I know that doesn't mean exclusively and Kramu. So I listen to lots of people. My friend Reverend Owusu Bempah. My friend no. Me kanasem. Mr. Reverend, you have been vindicated. Let's just say, and seven for the two so only mami agrada, whatever happened, and let nyame am wedi in kunim. In kunim na wedding, it wouldn't be complete till say mami no obeko prison ho na odu weni akohwe. Na possibly say nyame asem kra ka bi kire no. Ebe man krofo respect more. And no wouldn't mean by merely visiting her, say, Agrada be PPF prison. No. I told Hobson the same. I told the wife the same. That the wife is soon. It touching me so much. May allow no money soon, yeah, because we'll be your bonia. And I said, pent up, I said, feeling, you know, you're built up. The best thing to do is to shed tears. It affected me. Me can't I said, look, more mamma na ye mo. Bonnet and our offend the money now. But I'm come home. Namon call visiting. Namon Kenya me answer mon channel. A beer namo sobe mamma meno. Was sacred banner, you know, some of these things. Why her cry? I said, what deep bonnet, why will be born? And I will expect, and I will be expect to say the pan beba. A best round. Why offend will be in the panaba? What usually happens? Why her cry will be blushing? Because Obonia wedding, a home soon so, and I ate pemo. Yeah, it's so painful, but. Our philosophy of life, you see, Christopher. I say,
yeah, Kramoni. Kramoni. See, nyame kani yo. Reverend Owusu Bempah so a Christoni. I don't know see also a Christoni. Shekasa Kramoni eka efa Christoni ho. Na shekasa Christoni eka sawo Christoni ho. Na weno me ko Bible no be man because Bible is always my reference. Yes, will be say, why any Christoni, why any Ojidifo? I say, Moishe, say, Obi Otukwai, na confortable. Or so for betray more coy, and then many betray na time for buy no, or no, and not in the call hospital. This is a classic example. Na dem bia me kase, Christosum no ye entiasie. Kramoni me catch us say, na ko catch na say, nyame preach chire no, because so the be Bible Jesus said, me what prison one maho. When you put the Bible say, I need to agree na yes no all ye for Agrada to see who he is. It is a yes no ye there. Why should we rejoice and say, Boni oye me uye nipa Owusu Bempah but oye nipa uye nyame asofo mo Ghana uye nyame. It is how at the end of my year to say, Obia coming once up into a behuno and fat. And your 419 issues. Unya nyame, nyame penny nyame hatas rui. No kurano, ya yen boni debi or the tayen. Ya sanko Bible man, yes, say, obede ne sikaka se chobi. Onu shi obia, ni pani de ne kaketu webi no, wase meje. Mejodia no enu bi na atu yen ye boni a ye Nyankopon ya dwema ye nkwasiasem ye fa bloggers disfaming no has God exposed us? No. Na boni ki tuwe bi obi ye wo de ye de nkotum a you are happy. Is that it? Yes, akra Christopher mo ye suba ni nya atwom Na mahu Muslim for subai. I expose GHFM member subscribe share. Really two man now saka be manuasi.
Keep watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.